Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet, a powerful project management tool that can help you stay organized and on top of your work. But before I get into the nitty-gritty, I want to ask you a question. How long is Smartsheet free? I know that this is a question that a lot of people are asking, and I'm here to answer it for you. In short, Smartsheet is free for up to 3 users. However, there are some limitations to the free version. Smartsheet features. Before I get into the details of the free version of Smartsheet, let's take a look at some of the features that make it such a powerful tool. Tasks. Smartsheet allows you to create tasks, assign them to team members, and set deadlines. You can also track the progress of your tasks and see how they're doing against your goals. Projects. Smartsheet allows you to create projects and organize them into folders. You can also set up dependencies between tasks and milestones so that you can ensure that everything gets done on time. Reports. Smartsheet allows you to create reports that give you an overview of your projects and tasks. You can see how your team is doing, identify any bottlenecks, and make sure that everything is on track. Collaboration. Smartsheet allows you to collaborate with your team members in real time. You can share files, leave comments, and assign tasks to each other. Automation. Smartsheet allows you to automate repetitive tasks, such as sending emails and updating reports. This can save you a lot of time and effort. Smartsheet pricing. Now that you know some of the features of Smartsheet, let's talk about pricing. Smartsheet offers a variety of pricing plans, depending on your needs. The most basic plan is the free plan, which allows you to have up to 3 users. Smartsheet free limitations. The free version of Smartsheet has some limitations. For example, you can only have up to 3 users, and you can only create up to 25 sheets. You also can't use some of the more advanced features of Smartsheet, such as automation and custom reports. Smartsheet paid plans. If you need more than 3 users or want to use the more advanced features of Smartsheet, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The paid plans start at $14 per user per month. Is Smartsheet free for students? Yes, Smartsheet is free for students. If you're a student, you can get a free education license for Smartsheet. How to get Smartsheet for free? If you're interested in trying Smartsheet for free, you can sign up for a free trial. The free trial will give you access to all of the features of Smartsheet for 30 days. Smartsheet is a powerful project management tool that can help you stay organized and on top of your work. It's free for up to 3 users, but there are some limitations to the free version. If you need more features or users, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. And until next time, stay safe and keep learning.